Hey there, how are you doing? This is Kali from TechFanciers. In this video, we will see the 5 accessories that I bought for my Realme Pad. The link of this product that I show in this video is given in the description of this video. Doesn't have any paid promotion. These all are my personal opinion and I bought this device for my own use. So without wasting any more time, just we'll go to the content. First, we'll start with this active stylus. I already spoke a lot about this product in previous videos. I will leave the link in the card which appears right now. In one line, it will be useful only for specific case, not for ideal for everyone considering the price range. Second in the list is this adjustable tablet stand. I like this product and it works as expected. We have 2 adjustments. You can increase the height and also extend the backside support. If you want to use your tablet like a monitor and watch some movies, this will be the best choice for the price. And the build is not plastic and it is solid and steady. Third in the list, we have this screen protector or screen guard. I bought this for 300 rupees. It is one of the cheapest screen guards that I could find in the market. It sits perfectly on the screen and cutting and all the things are accurate. No problem. Somehow I applied it without any bubble. You have the instruction label in the product. I am fine with this product. There is no downside on buying this. Fourth, this matte design TPU rubberized back case cover. I usually don't use fancy or so-called defender cases. It spoils the look. I was doubtful when I was ordering it, but this case is actually good and I never removed it anytime for last 2 months. I feel little bit heavy, but at the same time it is grippy and easy to hold. I believe this saves the screen from little falls, short falls, and we have the elevations in the corners and screen. I like this product, no downside, worth for 380 rupees. The last product in the list is this sleeve bag. I use sleeve bags. I have one for my laptop. Even I use for my phone back in the college days. So it is tablet. Of course, I want to buy a sleeve bag. So I found this gray minimal one for 360 rupees. It is little bit taller than the tablet, but this is fine. I keep the tablet and touch pen, SIM ejector tool, and a wired headphone inside it. You can even carry some cash and cards in the front zip. If you are buying a case, this sleeve doesn't add much value, but I bought it to have the things in single thing. So yeah, not much happy about this purchase, but it does the job. That's all about the product. Few people asked about the screen guard and case, so I just made this separate video about the accessories. Leave a like if you enjoyed it and subscribe to this channel to support and encourage this work. If you have any queries and concerns, feel free to put it in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. Code